With a world economy that is dependent on imports and exports from country to country, large shipping fleets are essential for transporting a huge number of products. But cargo ships have their drawbacks. It's predicted that they contribute 3% of the global CO2 emissions, 9% of all the sulfur oxide emissions, and between 18 and 30% of all nitrous oxide emissions, which is not ideal to say the least. Now, many solutions have been proposed, like enormous batteries, hydrogen storage, and biofuels. But wherever I see the topic come up, there's always someone who likes to refer to the good old days, where the ultimate renewable energy source was used to power ships. And that is the wind. So is the answer really that simple?
Hello and welcome. Today in this video I will talk about the future of shipping, that is how the ship will run, that is about the wind source, wind power. So as we know that as day by day shipping generates too much environmental pollution. To reduce all these things, the companies are planning to develop some alternative. That alternative that is wind power, solar energy, biofuels, there are many things. So today in this video I will talk about the wind energy, how the ship will run from the wind power. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get further notification of the video like shipping and traveling around the world. So let's start this video with the wind power. There is one company named Oceanbird that started to build the ship that will run from the wind power. So that name is Oceanbird. You can see the external look of that ship, that how that ship will look. So this all around that Oceanbird ships, an efficient and eco-friendly wind-powered cargo vessels, equipped with massive 80-meter sails that top of the ships that reduce cargo shipping emission by 90%. The sails equipped on the Oceanbird are currently twice the size of the masts on board ships. On the largest conventional sailing vessels ever built, that ship will be the largest conventional ever ship built. Its mission is to revert climate change by finding a sustainable way to ship cargo with minimal environmental impact. The first version will be 200-meter cargo ships with a capacity of 7,000 cars that can carry around 7,000 cars. Designed with the state-of-the-art Swedish technology, the Oceanbird can cross the Atlantic Ocean in 12 days with an average speed of 10 knots. The sails are built with lightweight and strong composite materials, with design inspired an airplane wings. The telescopic design of the sails helps to lower the wind needed while passing under the bridge or when it hit by the strong winds that can be lowered accordingly needs. The Oceanbird will also be equipped with an auxiliary engine using clean energy to move out of the harbors and ports. So this one can be lowered and adjusted accordingly. Although the first version is a cargo ships, the technology can also be used in including the cruise ships. That technology can also be used in cruise ships. The wind-powered cargo ship will emit 90% less CO2 than conventional vessel. It will also have an average speed of 10 knots. The ship will have an engine as backup but aims to save 90% of carbon emission as compared to the conventional ships.
Kites, on the other hand, take up much less space on the deck, flying well above the ship and pulling it forward. One of the most advanced kite systems for large cargo ships has been developed by a company called Skysails, whose inflatable kite flies between 100 and 300 meters above the sea level, where wind speeds are higher. This is because friction with the ocean's surface slows down air that is closer to it, an effect known as the boundary layer. When the kite is in operation, an automatic control system keeps it flying at the most optimal angle, which helps to provide a 5% reduction in energy consumption when doing mixed routes, or around 12% for more favourable routes. And during the best conditions for the kite, it managed to provide 50% of the propulsion power for the 10,000 ton cargo ship it was attached to, called the MS Beluga Skysails. And finally we have aerofoils, which are the most similar to conventional sails out of the three technologies, and are what we saw on the Oceanbird at the start of the video. If I'm honest, I'm quite skeptical of the claim that the Oceanbird can cut shipping emissions by 90%. Especially when you compare this to the figures of the previous systems. There is also very limited technical information about the Ocean Wing available. However, a similar project born out of Tokyo University called the Wind Challenger can give us some insight. The airfoils on the boat are telescopic and work like the wings of a plane, redirecting the airflow to create a pressure difference and create lift. Interestingly, the optimal wind direction is actually from the side, as it enables all the airfoils to be utilised, whereas a tailwind means the 4 airfoils act just like one. This system is yet to be implemented on a full-sized boat. However, simulations found that on the North American Great Circle route, the energy consumption